Hi, Debbie here. Today I'm going to be reviewing Colgate Sensitive Toothpaste Enamel Repair. I switched to this toothpaste last year and it has worked wonders on my sensitive teeth. I honestly have felt a significant reduction in sensitivity. I've struggled with tooth sensitivity for several years and this toothpaste provides a soothing solution, which is such a relief compared to some of the harsh toothpaste brands I've used in the past. Now I can enjoy both hot and cold foods without any discomfort. I love the refreshing minty flavour that leaves my mouth feeling clean and fresh. And the smooth texture of the toothpaste glides easily, making it gentle on sensitive gums. It's a well-balanced formula that doesn't compromise on thorough cleaning while catering to sensitive teeth. It's also effective in preventing cavities and maintaining a healthy smile. Furthermore, Colgate's trustworthy reputation and years of expertise in dental care give users the confidence they need when choosing the right toothpaste. The packaging is practical, ensuring that every last drop of toothpaste can easily be squeezed out, minimising waste and maximising value for money. I couldn't be happier with my purchases, and my dentist is also pleased with my oral health routine. If you're dealing with sensitive teeth like I was, I recommend giving this toothpaste a shot. I can't imagine going back to my old toothpaste now. Thanks for checking out my review. I hope you found it helpful.